Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Edge guys for generation 2006, 17, 2013, and we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove and how to replace the overflow bottle, the coolant overflow bottle. Stay with us guys, we'll show you how to do that now. In the meantime, we're draining the coolant, so that will be included in the video as well, because you need to drain some coolant, or at least enough that you do not have any in the overflow bottle. So you can drain it, and when you see that it goes out of the bottle, you can just close the drain plug, so that way you don't have to bleed the cooling system, even though I would recommend to bleed the cooling system the correct way. Let me guys introduce you. We'll have more than 200 videos on Ford Edge, so even if you have the one with the facelift, most of the videos will apply. So please subscribe guys. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can here at the shop. So thank you for watching, and let's start on it now. All the tools and parts that are used in the video will be listed in the description of the video below. First thing that we'll be using is a socket 732s. I don't know which metric that will be, but this one fits the best on the screws that we need to remove. There is one cover that we need to remove underneath with that socket, and then we can get to the drain plug. Okay, so we're under the vehicle now. Okay, one screw is out. Two. Three. Four. Five. Wear eye protection because dust and mud will fall off the plastic. Okay, this is number 6 right there. So let's see. We have 2 clips that we need to remove. You pull the center piece out, and then you pull the rest of the clip out. And just one more. Okay, over there. Sometimes they'll be really stuck if they have mud in them. So you just want to wiggle them as much as you can. And this clip did break, and sometimes they will. We'll have on the channel guys, check out the link to our Amazon store and see where we get our clips from. Okay, so you can get replacement clips for really good price, usually a huge quantity of clips. Okay, now just pull that outer piece, and the plastic comes out like that. Okay, so we're underneath on the left side, on the driver's side of the vehicle. That hole right there, that's where the coolant will start coming out. So we have that bucket ready, so we're going to collect it now. We need to go ahead and turn the radiator plug. Okay, and this one is really hard to see, so we'll try our best actually to show you. I'm trying to see if I can find an angle where I can show you a little bit better. Okay, so I'm under the car now guys. Let me show you where the drain plug now is. Okay, if you come right here. Okay, I'm trying to get the light correct here so I can show you. Okay, you can see this one right here. Okay, this is your drain plug, and this one you will have to use a socket or an Allen wrench to get it loose. Okay, so you can see we have an offset box wrench, 19mm there, and it works perfectly. So you need to just get it loose, okay? And after that it starts getting loose by hand pretty easy. So let's do a little bit. You see it's not very tight. and it will start leaking at one point. So you have to make sure that you're not right underneath it. After that, you can even try turning it by hand after it gets loose. It's not very tight. Initially it's very tight, and after that it's not. So it will start dripping. You have the bucket there. Okay, get it loose all the way. And you can see coolant's coming out. Okay, right there, coolant's coming out. What you have to do next, guys, you have to open the coolant reservoir. Now, I forgot to mention, drain the coolant only when it's cold. Because if it's cold, it can severely burn you, it can be under pressure, and that could hurt you really, really bad. Once you open the reservoir cap, you start coming out even faster. Do not remove the plug all the way, because if you do, it's going to come out of everywhere and you will not be able to collect it. So we'll just let it drain like that for probably about 5 to 10 minutes. You can see the coolant in the reservoir is already dropping here. After that it will come out of the radiator, the engine as well, so it will take a little bit of time. Okay, so you can see, guys, practically it's almost done. Probably need another 2 to 3 minutes, but you can go ahead now after that part pretty much. Close the drain plug. You can close it by hand and then get it tight with a wrench. Do not over tighten those because it's plastic, the radiator as well, and you don't want to crack that thing. So be careful how you do it. Okay, we'll get our tight now. So next, you can see we do not have coolant anymore in the overflow bottle. We're going to disconnect the hoses here. So we have that little hose that we need to disconnect on top. So you need to grab that clamp, gently pull it out. Do not twist here because you're going to break it. Okay, even though it has a metal sleeve inside of it, those are known to be easy to crack. Now we have the big one on the bottom, which is a little bit hard to get to. And we can actually remove it in a little bit after we get the screws out of the way. That way it can move a little bit. We have the 8mm socket here now. That's what we're using. Okay, this one is out now. We just have 2 more to remove. Okay, now working on the second one there, on the third one, excuse me, second on that side. Okay, now we can move it a little bit and twist it so we can get to that clamp now. So let's see if we can reach it a little bit easier now. Okay, if I turn it this way. Okay, almost came out, and now we need to move just a little bit more down. It's a little bit inconvenient place. Okay, we got it now. Perfect. This one came out, you can see the bracket is off. on the clamp, excuse me. Now just twist the hose left and right a little bit. Okay, and pull the overflow bottle out of the way. So that's how you guys remove the overflow bottle. Installing it is in reverse order that we took it apart. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos, and if you need help with anything, drop a comment below and we'll try to make a video for you. So see you guys next time.